Hello, hello, hello. Morning, morning, morning. How's everybody doing? Chilling? Nice, nice, nice. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today we're gonna make money fist over hand, buddy boy. Gonna make bucks. Yeah? Tons of bucks. Hold on, let me remove this real quick. Where to put this? Here. Delete this one. Market's about to open in 7 minutes. See, same thing. Chart. Let me add the option chain. Bruh. Jeez Louise. You good, bro? What's with this? A new one. There you go. Chart. And then we're gonna put the option chain. Beautiful. We're going to add the positions. Nice. That's what we like to see here. Nah, there you go. That's better. Perfect. Perfecto. Got the chart. Let's open interest, applied volatility, volume. We don't need this, this, or this, and that, and this. That's it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. All right. All right, all right, all right. That's all we need. Okay, let's make this a bit bigger. There we go. Let's add the indicators. Add the set. Positions. Oof. Jeez, I can't even see here anything. Just do all MU. Hold on, let me slightly remove this. Slightly. Yeah. There you go. I'm making this just in case you want to go from this account to this account, just to be ready. Just to be ready. You know, we gotta conduct ourselves as professionals. Hold on, recent orders. All right, let's just positions. Let's see silver. What's going on with silver? Okay, we're up 22 bucks. I closed the Robinhood and SoFi position. Sucks. And then let's see what happens with this. Anyhow, why is this not only MU? Is it unlinked? It is linked. Why do I have this? How about orange? No. How about purple? Change this to purple too. Purple would be this. Same, but if I'm not mistaken, purple and purple. So is that all purple? Nope, this is not purple, it's orange. Now I'm talking. Now we're talking. Perfect. So, let's go there for now. Let's just chillax. Let's take it easy here. That one's chilling. This one's chilling. Let me fix this real quick. Get a bit bigger here. Maybe not too big. There you go. So, make sure everything's running fine. The market's going to be dropping today because of the tariffs. Market's opening in 3 minutes. See what happens. Let's chat. Let's not chat. Let me update the title to live trading and chatting. And number what? This is number 17. Hold on, let me add something to it. All right, let's add something to it, yeah? Let's add something to it. What is this? 6:28. Market's gonna open in how long? In 2 minutes. Let's disclaimer, yeah? Make sure the disclaimer is there, guys. Do not follow what I do. What I do is dangerous. What I do is risky. Upload any thumbnail. Shit, I don't want to leak that. I don't want to leak that, bro. That sucks, dude. I don't want to leak that. Alright, perfect. Now, are we chilling now? Market's opening in 2 minutes. Are we chilling? Alright, nice. Upgrade now. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, my friend? What are you talking about, yeah? Let's go here real quick, live. Fantastical, phenomenal, beautiful. Oh no, why did I close that? Open panel. How do I remove these BS? If I do this, then that happens. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Alright, what else? Let's see, everything's be looking nice. Let me open Kick. What the fudge was that, bro? Anyhow, 6:29. We got the markets opening in 1 minute. Come to us. They have decided to come to Papa, bro. Alright, let's change this to markets open. What the fudge, dude? Let's change this to just not chatting, but trading. Let's go with crypto trading or whatever. Alright, so the market's open. As y'all can see, the market is hella volatile. Alright? Nope. You don't want to enter now because this is a death row, yeah? You wait, and then you wait. Look, everything's red, including this, including almost the index. VIX is up 5%. You know, you just don't want to. Hold on. So, I'm guessing this right here. Come on. It's so volatile, it's not taking my order. You know what I'm saying? Just replace it there. Now we're in. The market's gonna be dropping. Down 2% already. Just what we like to see. We're up 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Could put the limit here. It's very volatile, alright? We're gonna get out as fast as You need to understand that if the market drops too hard, it's gonna get up back down so fast. The same. Just like that. Let's get out. Shit. Yep. Uh-huh, uh-huh. TP is not even working because it's so volatile. TP is like shit, dude. Here, it's just too volatile right now for me. What's the... holy jeez. I feel like that looks like recovery. Yeah, fuck, we're out. Stop loss hit. I wanted to get out, but like... Shit. Let's get out of this. Way too volatile. Way too volatile. Oh shit, we're down 117. That sucks because I wanted to close down there, but I didn't. It's just too slow. See, market's turning green. If I'm not mistaken, that thing's turning green. Let's see. Let's take it easy. That one's there. I have not placed my stop loss yet. That sucks. That's not a good idea. You should always place the stop loss first. That's unprofessionalism. That is some buys, dude. That is some crazy buys. Yeah, that's just... feel like just not so nice. Not so nice, sir. Not so beautiful. Not so nice. At the same time, I feel like they're tricking everybody because the tariffs is gonna do sting, my man. You know what I'm saying? The tariffs are shit. Things pretty strong upward candle, but it's just fake. It's just fake, bro. Unfortunately, it's just fake. The tariffs, bro. The tariffs. The risk. The everybody's afraid. The fear in the market is way too high. Quite the opposite could always happen. Not saying it's not happening, but it is. Look, I'm gonna know my stop loss. I'm gonna put it here. Oh no, that's way too low. No, that is way too low. Hold on, are we in the 100? Yeah, we are. Just go to 5 minutes here. This is hella volatile, dude. Jeez Louise, dude. What the hell? 415? That's nuts. That is absolutely nuts. 415. That's crazy. See the market? Yeah, the market's turning red. The indexes are turning red. They're sideways right now, but I feel like they're gonna turn red. With VIX rising a bit, it's pretty unknown. You never know what's gonna happen. If Nvidia joins us, it's game over, bro. If Nvidia joins, it's game over. That is a big sell. We're gonna see another sell, I'm pretty sure. Specifically for the tariffs. I don't know. You never know, though. Yeah, that always could happen too. The market's going crazy right now. It's going nuts. That is a pretty nice recovery on this. But still, I've got some very crazy red volume. Oh shit, that thing's dropping. I am breaking the rules. I'm breaking the policy, yeah? Listen. Listen. Alright? This is a fake out. VIX hasn't changed a bit. Market's being red. Let me look at this here. They're trying to scare people with this. Yeah? Trying to scare us. I ain't getting scared, bro. You ain't scaring me, bro. Make you throw hands here, bro. Shit, we're cooked. Alright, we're basically cooked right now. We're down 235. That's fine. It's life. Take it easy, yeah? What I'm guessing is... Hold on. So... I could be wrong. SPY rise 3.32 points. Who cares that it's rising 32 points? The overall market sentiment. It's balanced. It's not up or down yet. VIX is dropping a bit. Got light there. Look. This to my eyes, it looks phenomenal, yeah? It just looks phenomenal, so we're just gonna go for it. No? Idiot. Oh, we don't replace the order. Come on, dude. Oh, that's what it is. Maybe we can buy one of this. What are you talking about? Order to buy fail instead as possible may not be available. Alright. Dude, I want to sell that, bro. This motherfucker is crazy. Excuse my language there. Why? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me, dude? Alright, let me just buy an option here. What the hell are y'all doing? What is it that y'all doing? Hold on. Let's go with 420 here. We're in. Just gonna go here. Gonna add the positions here. Position for the pink. For the pinky. Alright, average price is 85. Okay, there we go. Alright, look, we have two positions. Very beautiful. Easy. Yeah, it's easy. Easy. They really thought they can make us a scare. We're up 68 on that. They really tried to, like, you know, get us out of the position. We're up 70 bucks on that. Beautiful. Loving it. Yeah, loving it. Look, we'll be ready to close this position. Not too soon, yeah? Not too soon, because this market's dropping hard. Yep, look at the market. Turning red, my friend. Alright, they're trying to scare us. Don't be scared. Trust yourself. Trust yourself and put the stop loss. It's very important, actually. Stop loss matters. Basically sideways right now. Jesus, the volume on Nasdaq is 1.3 billion already. Fudge, dude. It's that freaking it's that crazy, dude. That's unbelievable. That's just nuts. 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion, dude. That's crazy already. Holy moly. Hold on. So, look, we could be wrong. So let's get out of this position. No, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold it a bit, yeah? Let's hold it a bit, yeah? Just hold it a bit, my friend, yeah? Look, I wanted to open the position up there, but this motherfucker, it did not let me. Just saying. Just saying, you know? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, red. Red all the way, my friend. Let me see if I can change the... No, I really can't. That's fine. I feel like I should remove this. Come on, stop playing games, dude. This is just retest to test that shit up. I'm just gonna option chain here, and then this right here. Uh-huh, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. I love that now. Never talking. Never talking. The volatility, dude, it's nuts. It's just all over the place. Let me go on to 5 minutes. Holy moly. We don't need these. Remove this. Let me just turn it off basically. And this. Garbage. Look, I wanted to enter here. But it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. We take it easy. That's what we're gonna do. Let's see if everything's kicking. Yep, everything's kicking. We chilling. All cool. We're kicking it. Let's go, let's go. We're gonna make bucks fist over hand, bro. Fist over hand, non-stop, like that. We ain't joking around here, bro. Let's go. Again, that's a fake out. That's a fake out. Look, the Nasdaq just dropped. That's a fake out as hell. That's just fake out. What are you doing? What are you doing? You think you can trick us, bro? No. No, you can't trick us here, bro. Throw hands. We chillin', yeah? We chillin'. Matter of fact, this is so fake. This is so fake that I want to buy one more. Getting filled or what, my bro? Mm-hmm. Got filled there. All right. Nasdaq is kind of dropping. Oh, Nasdaq was 1.3 billion. Oh, hold on a second. We were making a mistake. That wasn't 1.3 billion. That was just fake. We need to see VIX rising, not dropping. That's bad. That's bad news. When we see it's dropping down, VIX, no good. That is no good news. We have what else do we have? We have 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour real quick. The hourly, it looks kind of nuts, you know, it looks kind of ugly. We are above the mid range on RSI too. Are we turning green here? Am I being cooked? Oh, that is turning green. Wow. Pretty strong. $15. That's Don't know what's going on with this candle right here. And one of the most volatile candle I've seen. Let's see the 15 real quick. Okay. Again, let's see 30 here. Wow, it's pretty strong. Holy jeez. Really? Are we really getting the green here? Not really, I don't think so. I feel like this is just fake. It's just as fake as it can get. Are we really turning green here? Are you joking? Today? Monday? I guess we are. Look, listen. Jeez, dude. Jeez, OVs. Being kind of cooked here. Or being kind of cooked. I feel like this is so fake that I want to sell another one here. Oh, it's actually turning green. That's nuts. Holy moly, dude. We're down a shit ton of money right now. Like a shit ton of money. Stop loss should have been there. Stop loss should have been there. Gotta see the consequence of not having a stop loss, yeah? On the daily. The daily, mate. $4.40 today, bro. It is possible. Let's see. We're being kind of cooked here real quick. They're frying us. They're like, you know. Jeez, oh V's, this thing's just strong. It really did turn green. What is it that we're in right now? Stood the market value, 3,000? Wow. Market value is 3,000 here. Let's see. Ah, it really is cooking us. And we're being cooked here too with one position. That's nuts. Look at that. Freaking eye. Holy moly, dude. We're being deep fried. That's what's happening. Deep fried. Why I have the feeling of this as being a fake out. You know? Let me just enter one of these bad boys. V in it. RV in it. Alright, now the market value in this value is 4,300. We chillin', bro. We ain't scared of shit. But we're being cooked. Tell you that. Being cooked, my friend. Do not follow what I do. I'm telling y'all. Do not follow what I do. Yeah, do not. It's too dangerous. It's way too dangerous. What I do is very dangerous. Very dangerous is what I do, alright? It's just dangerous, my man. Don't. Don't. It needs a big heart. That's what it needs. It requires. It asks. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, never mind. We're fine. We're fine, bro. We're fine, bro. Be good, bro. Yeah, we're good, bro. Look, Nasdaq is dropping again. This is just a fake out. I can just simply see what it is. One we can buy. 1120. Hold on. VIX is rising. 1115. Meh. 1115 grand. No. No 1115. I'm buying, bro. You're not giving me 1150. I'm buying. You better pay me. Gotta sit like this. You know? Like a G. I'm gonna sit like this like a G, bro. Yeah? I'm gonna be chilling here. 5 contracts. Yeah, that's what it is. 5 contracts. No risk, no Ferrari. We're being cooked on this position. We're down 400. Five contracts plus this 6 contracts. What am I saying? 6 contracts we're in. Can you do that? Can you handle the heat on that? I don't think so. Let's go. Oh, am I offline? No, I'm not. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm up. We're 5 contracts in, bro. We're 5 contracts in. Are we turning green here? Are we going green, my bro? Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go. We need a $10 drop on this shit. Are we going green here? Let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Are we turning green here? Hell yeah. We're turning green. Let's go. 6 contracts. Boom. And that's what I like to see. That is exactly what I like to see. Let's go. Hell yeah. Are we turning green here? Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Are we gonna be paid early morning? This fast? Really? Treating us nice. We're up. Boom. $200 on this position right now. Boom. That's what I like to see, dude. That's what you want to see, bro. Gotta have a big heart to be paid. Nice. Market's dropping. Market's dropping. Freaking I. We're up $300 on that position. 380. Hell yeah. We're getting paid here. Getting paid here. Oh yeah. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at this. What is that? Is that a fake out? Oh, it is. Oh, I guess I thought I said it. Jeez Louise, it's volatile. Jeez Louise, it's volatile, my friend. Let me do this. I want to be professional here, yeah? That's what I want to be. I want to be a professional. So, what I'm going to do is reasonable work. I'm going to do a 14. Yeah, 14 is reasonable for me here. I'm going to do 14. I'm going to place the order, sell order on 14. Am I going to really be reasonable here? Yeah. Let the runners run. 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 Let's go. That's what I'm going to chant from now on. At the same time, we want to be not greedy, yeah? If you be greedy, you're basically fucked. You want to be professional. Should not be greedy. But greedy at the same time. You know what I mean? There's got to be a balance. There's got to be a balance to it. Always a balance. Without a balance, it's not going to work. You got to be greedy at the same time not to be greedy. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not joking. It goes both ways. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. I love that chant. Let the runners run. 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 Are we gonna hit this real quick? Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Alright, we're gonna close here. We out 570. 500 and well, hold on. 570 that I took already. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. 570, baby. 570. That's what it is. 570 bucks. That's what it is. 570 bucks. That's what it is. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Alright. Let's take it easy, alright? Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let's go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful fake out and a beautiful drop. It's just, I love it when I know it. Bro, the tariffs, bro. Bro, the tariffs, bro. The tariffs, bro. It's the tariffs, bro. It's not me. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. We had enough of it, so I just thought I should get out, you know? You just gotta know when to get out, bro. That's what really matters. This right here, this position, we'll be paid on this too. We'll be paid on this too. Don't worry. No worries. No worries. Take it easy. Take it easy. 570. Let's freaking go. 570 bucks. And what? In like half an hour. Jeez, oh jeez, dude. Look at the drop, bro. Look at the drop here. Oh my god. Look at this. This thing's gonna drop hard. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna. Do not a financial advisor, alright? This thing's gonna drop hard, bro, now. Let their runners run. Let their runners run. Let their runners run. It already ran, so closed out the position. We're chilling now. I feel like I closed it too early. Look, you got to be greedy at the same time not to be greedy. So I felt like I had enough there, so I just thought I should close the position. It's very simple as that. It's not that hard. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Guys, we're up 570 bucks already. And we're 30 minutes into the market. You understand what I'm saying? 570 bucks, bro. Look, but I have to place that freaking stop loss, dude. That stop loss is bad if I don't place it. I don't care what's gonna happen. Yeah? Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. I'm gonna chant that forever. It's gonna be my chant forever. Hold on, what account is this? What account is this? I don't know. I have no idea. I have two accounts, so I'm just. 15 minutes. Let's go on 15 minutes on this. MU is gonna drop today because of the tariffs. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I should just close this. I don't think so. We're gonna see a big drop here. Just gonna hold on to it. I know it's super volatile, but it is what it is. Let's just chill. Is this what it is? Try again. Come on, just log me in. Bro, just come on, it's me. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Your recent login to Robin. Alright, nice. So let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Oh look, basically it's level right now. MU is basically level. Look, everything is down. Forget about Walmart. Walmart, they're retailers. They're just, you know, you're gonna go shop from Walmart anyways, regardless of if there's being any war or not. Alright, so we're cooking here. Let's go. Let's go. We're up 570 bucks. 570, baby. 570. 570 on the day, bro. 570. 570, bro. You understand what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 570. We're gonna close this position in green too. Let's go. MU is being leveled here. It's just level. Right now it's just sideways. We're gonna see more drops here. Let's see if VIX is rising. We want this to rise even higher if you want further drop. Look, silver and gold, they're going up. Good sign for the drop. VIX is kind of rising again. Yep, that's good sign for the drop. Bitcoin is dropping. Good sign for the drop. Indexes are down. Good sign for the drop. You know, these are all indicators that indicates that the market will be red, as you all see. And guess what? The market is red. And we were right. And we got paid 570 bucks so far. And then we're gonna get paid on this one as well. So we're chilling, you know? We're just chilling like that. Yeah? No risk, no Ferrari, my friend. This is a fake out again, it's just. But you never know, anything's possible. No one can predict the market. That's why everybody got stop loss. No one. You never know what's gonna happen. Let the runners run. I don't know, it's just it seems unusual. I don't know which side it wants to go, you know? Right now it's in the talks. They're deciding. They're still deciding what to do. I feel like this is a drop. Boom and a drop. You know, it's just what it is. Yeah, especially with this. Oh, VIX is rising crazy. Yeah, we're gonna see a drop on Nvidia too. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Is it gonna turn red today? Don't know. Maybe. 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 Look, YouTube doesn't allow us to open any, play any songs. If I do, they're gonna block my freaking stream, bro. I don't want that to happen. Why would you do that, YouTube? How dare you? How disrespectful of you. YouTube, stop doing that, bro. Stop bullying everybody. Yeah? Don't make me throw hands, YouTube. YouTube is making me throw hands. Activity fit, like filter, and then what is this? Subscribers only chat. Can I do that? Let's do that. Only those who sub can chat. Yeah? Let's just remove this. Emotes only chat. No, let's just let everybody do whatever they want. Yeah? Let's just let everybody do whatever they like. Let's not be, you know. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Are we seeing a drop and everything? Yeah, there's a rise on that. MU. Let the runners run. Look at that. Boom. Seeing drop on this. Beautiful drop. Beautiful drop. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. See 30 minutes. Yep. They're gonna wait a bit. Patience. Patience is all needed, yeah? Patience. That's what it is, patience. Patience is what you really need, yeah? That's what you really need. Patience and discipline. Are the runners running? Are they running? Are you running, my friend? Are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Look at that. Boom, VIX is up. Boom. Let's see the drop here. Let's see the drop with that VIX. Right. Let's see the drop here, bro. Jeez Louise, dude. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. This is just annoying now. Now I want to throw hands. It's just taking forever. I wanted to open a position, but we couldn't do anything. Because I don't know what the hell this guy was saying. Saying something. Robinhood was saying something. Like we have estimated cost. Now we have 946 bucks available, right? Then why is it not opening any positions? It's just dumb, you know, it's just dumb, my bro. It's just dumb, my friend, yeah? Bro, not the disconnection. What's with this OBS shit, bro? Not that, bro. Don't be playing games with us here. Don't make me throw hands here. OBS. Let the runners run. Let the runners run. Alright, so Nvidia's turning red. VIX is rising. Index are dropping. Gold and silver are skyrocketing. Yeah. That is perfect indicators. The trend is the perfectest. It's the best indicator out there, yeah? The trend. That's all you need. If you need an indicator, it's called the trend. The daily trend. And the daily trend is red. And that is exactly what we do. We're gonna follow the red. If it's green, follow the green. If it's red, follow the red. Now, if you have some news that goes with it, perfect. Beautiful. What's the news? 5% raise on tariffs. That's red. That indicates war. That indicates retaliation. Alright, so we'll see what happens here. See if we want to close this position or not. This thing kind of dropped. Wix kind of dropped, so. Did it close this position yet or no? No, 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes until the 30 minutes candle close. We'll see what happens. We're just gonna let the runners run, you know? That's what we're good at. Come on, go to the life. Are we offline? No, we're not. We're online. Oh, come on. It started another chat, bro. Started a chat, another stream right away. That sucks. That's what it really sucks. Anyhow, so just waiting and chilling for this to drop hard. That's what I'm exactly doing. Let me see if I can. Trading view. Trading view platform. Yeah, that's right here. Let the runners run, bro. Oh, I don't have my account open here? Oh, that's fine. Never mind. Just go back to here. Yeah, we're just gonna let the runners run here. Now, that was a quick 415 hit. That was very fast. That was unbelievable. Look at this. 415, 431. Yeah? 415, 431. That's nuts. That's crazy, dude. That's a $15 difference in like one candle. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is a $15 difference in one candle. That is pure volatility. That is just very high volatility. That's high volume. That's what it is. Look at that volume on this. $4.14 million. Million. Volatility here is 1.5, 1.15. Alright. We're going to let the runners run. We're going to see a run here. Let me see. How did this go? I'm aware that I closed this position quite early. But we made a profit, 570 bucks. It's just a profit. We took it and we're out. Not too greedy, but kind of greedy, you know? Why is this not working? Why is this loading forever, dude? Anyhow. Yeah, let the runners run. The VIX is rising, indicating drop on the market. The index are dropping. Look, DJI's dropped. SPX, NDX, all of them. Red today, red. That's what it is. Today is the red day. Well. Oh, what did I say? Red. Oh yeah, that's what you see. Red is happening. Reddish. That is rubbish. A cup of water. Micron Technology stock has risen 300% in the past year, with a 75% jump recently. 75% jump. That's nuts. Earnings growth is expected to hit 440% year over year in Q2, impacting its valuation. Damn. Look at this thing. Wow, this thing is a beast. This thing is a beast. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. This thing is a very dangerous thing, you know. Come on, just drop. We're waiting. Let's see what happens. We're gonna hit 416 for sure. We already did, but you know, it's gonna be a. We're gonna see it again. Let me put it that way. It's up and down right now so far. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It's me. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight. You know what I'm saying? Lightweight. What are we seeing? We are seeing drop. That's what we're seeing. Nvidia is so big that it's like an indicator, you know? It's like the index. It controls the index. If this thing turns red, everything's gonna go to hell. It's that crazy. Got such a big, what is it called? Got such a big market cap. Market cap of 4.65 trillion dollars. That's nuts, yeah? That is absolutely crazy. That's just rubbish. You know, it's just rubbish. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. It's just rubbish. Alright, so choose to that, my friend. Let's go to there. Take your time. No thanks. Look at that. Oh, look at that drop. Very beautiful, very profound, very nice. I like that drop, bro. You know what I'm saying? The drop is very smooth and beautiful. It's a bit rubbish. A cup of tea would be nice right now. It's what I need. A cup of tea. Jeez Louise. 12 bucks it dropped. We're gonna have to see further drop on this. I don't know. We'll see what I'm gonna do with this. See if I want to close it or not. Feel like not closing it is the better option here. I'll go with the better option. If I'm not mistaken, I was. Am I correct? Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, phenomenal, phenomenal, fantastic. So, a bit of rubbishness here, I'm seeing. Index R still red. Got the VIX. US December factor orders 0.7 November versus 0.7 expected and 2 point in November. Alright. Price to reap some big gains. Alright, let's see. MU. We're just gonna see what's happening here. So we're chilling, yeah? That's what we're doing, we're chilling. We saw a drop on index. Further drop? Are we seeing further drop on index? Because I want to open another position on here. Because it's looking beautiful for me. VO options. What's the buying power? We can buy 407. Yes, let's do a 407 here. 15 minutes. Am I gonna see further drop on this? Let me see if it's indicating that. Are we gonna do it? Yeah, kind of. I don't know. Maybe a retest to here, 424, and then a drop. You know, it's all possible. Amazon. Are we turning red or what? Are we turning green? Hold on. I don't think so. I don't believe that we're turning green. We're in this box right now. So I'll be able to afford that real quick. And 9:15. Nope. So it's trying to play games with us, you know, it's just 9 point 9.30 error. Really? Putting a limit, bro. Placing a limit on that. Okay. Alright. No sin no problema. Yeah? Not letting us enter. We want to enter another on 915. It's not letting us. Deposit already used plus the trade amount. Make sure the amount covers the instant deposit. What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, my friend? Are you rubbish? Are you absolutely rubbish? Is that what it is, my friend? Let's see if this can open. Yeah, still same thing. We're not able to open any of these positions right now. I don't know why. But that's fine. We're gonna be paid on this position. No matter what they do, we're getting paid anyways, regardless. We're G's like that, yeah? We got 570 on this account. We're still waiting on this one. See what happens. Still happening. Yep. Drop is coming next. There you go. 730 it is. We're gonna see a further drop, or are we gonna see a rise? Index. Index. Let me see that 30 minutes real quick. Oh yeah, closed under the mid Bollinger Bands. Also indicates a drop. Yep. Oh, jeez. Rise on the VIX. Alright, is it gonna do the same thing? Fake breakout again? Yeah, we're gonna see a drop here. So VIX is up still. Index are dropping. I saw Nasdaq was 7 point something. I was. Let's see, 0.71, 1.30. Let's just follow that. 71, 130. See what happens. 1.32, okay. You know what that means, right? Okay, wow. 70.73, 130, yeah. Yeah, MU. Don't even try, bro. You got Nvidia dropping. Nvidia, oh. Let's see. See if further drops happening or not. Oh, damn. Oh, it's... Is that really happening? Is that for real, or it's just as usual? Seems like the usual, doesn't it? Let's go to 30 minutes on here. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. The usual. It's the usual. Can I get the usual, sir? Can I get the usual? Can I get the usual? That is exactly what's happening here, as far as I'm concerned. Yep. Wicks to the roof. Yep, look at the drop now. Look at the drop now. That is exactly what they do all the time. If it wants to go up, it's gonna go down first and then it's gonna go up. If it wants to go down, it's gonna go up first at the beginning and then it's gonna go down, you know? Gonna steal a little bit of money from everybody else. That's what we're gonna do. We ain't falling for that, my man. We ain't falling for that. See? Beautiful, beautiful. Kick me kicking. Kick you kicking. Let's just view channel here. Let's just view channel here. Alright, nice. We're live. Alright, we're fine. Beautiful. We got 6 followers on Kick. Can you believe that? 6 people. That's a lot of people, bro. That's a lot of life, you know. 6 people. Love that. Six people. Those first 6 followers are the real G's, bro. They're the G's. The real deals, yeah? Look at the drop. We're gonna see the drop now, bro. 0.79, 136, 765. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the VIX. And yeah, VIX really doesn't matter here. So if it's want to see VIX to like skyrocket here, that's what I want to see. Everything else looking nice. This one's dropping. Everything's dropping. Let me see. I want to use the bathroom, so I want to write on the screen. Add application audio input capture audio. No display capture, image, media source, scene. How do I? Hold on. Text. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Text. Bathroom. No. Rest room break. I'll be back. That's better. Why is this opposite? Are you kidding me? Why is that thing the opposite, dude? Jeez Louise, dude. Jeez Louise, dude. How do I flip it? Bro, flip, bro. Flip, bro. Outline. Yeah, we want outline. Flip, bro. We'll be back. Why is it upside? How do I flip it? Group order show blend mode. How do I do this? Rename filters. Default. I'm just gonna leave it like that. See if it's showing. Can y'all even see that? Yeah, it's quite the opposite, but that's fine. It is what it is. Alright, there's streaming. Look, I'm just gonna leave this like this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Yeah? Use the restroom. Look, I'm gonna put a limit here on 1440. Here. Set limit right there. Hold on. What was the high here? No, we're gonna go higher here. 489. 495. 490. Because of that, we're gonna see 460 in no time. 1 second, I'll be right back. So what's happening? What's happening here? Nice. We saw the drop happening, yeah? Beautiful, beautiful. Just like I said. Just like I said. Not a financial advisor. Beautiful. We're seeing a drop. We're seeing a drop. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna see further drop here. Index are down further. Is Nvidia turning red? I don't know, maybe. We're up 570 on this position. I don't know if I want to close that one. I don't know if I want to close this too. I don't think so. We'll see the 416. We'll see 416 here. 416 is inevitable. Why not just make this bigger? Isn't that a better idea? Right? It's a better idea, isn't it? Hold on. Close this one and let me delete this one. You ever chillin'? Perfect. See what's happening in the market again. Are we gonna see further red here? 21.49. Wix. Wix is rising. Oh yeah, that thing. MU. I'm expecting further drop. Wow. Pretty annoying. Pretty annoying. Is there any major events happening this week in the stock market or in the financial realm?
This week, the stock market saw modest gains, with the S&P 500 up around 1%, while trade tensions flared as new global tariffs were announced. All eyes are on Nvidia's earnings, which are expected to show big growth and could impact the tech sector. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve remains divided on future rate changes, and inflation rose slightly more than expected. Overall, expect some volatility, especially with trade and tech in focus.
Wow, I didn't even notice that. There is Nvidia's earning coming up in 2 days. Wow. Tecnologia. Wow. Nvidia's earning coming up. I don't know about this position. I don't know if I want to keep it. This thing's just being too annoying. Let me see if I want to keep it open. 8 a.m. will decide. So there is gonna be a hell shit ton of volatility in the market because of Nvidia entering. Let's see, let's see. Hmm. 30 minutes into the market, and we close the position for 570 bucks in profit. Let's go. That's all you really need, dude. Like every day that would be beautiful. That would be nice. Oh, look at the VIX. Jesus, it's rising big time. Indicating further drop in the market. Nice. Beautiful. You want further rise on VIX? Let me call a friend of mine. Hold on 1 second. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Mamma mia. Wow, let's go. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Further drop. We're going into profit. Alright, that was something. Alright, excuse me, you gotta talk to people, you know? It's just people. You understand what I'm saying? It's just, gotta communicate. Alright, so what's the, today? That was 54 bucks. It's not bad. 54 bucks and 570, what is that? Anyhow, 600, 6 and something. It's not bad, right? In 1 hour, 600 bucks. We are gonna see further drop on VIX. But who cares? We'll see what happens. Walmart. Oh, Costco's dropping now. MU. Let's see. Robin's even drop. Dude, thank God I sold freaking Robinhood. Fuck Robinhood from the bottom of my heart. Fuck Robinhood. Excuse my language. Oh, the VIX is even rising even harder. Well. 650 bucks today. We made money fist over hand, just like I said. We made shit ton of money. We made a shit ton of money, big time money. We were chilling early in the morning. It's literally 8:01 a.m. in the morning, and we already made 650. We chilling. We're gonna hit the gym afterwards. 8:30, probably 9. We're gonna chill for the rest of the day. And like I said, Nvidia's turning red. Boom, baby. Nvidia's turning red. Very nice. I love the beginning of the week, bro. Monday is the most beautiful day. It's the most beautifulest thing of all time. It's a banana next to a banana. Alright? That's what it is. A banana next to a banana. Beautiful. I love it. Early in the morning, yeah? Alright, y'all. Take it easy. Thanks for joining in. We made a profit of 650 bucks today. That's big time. We made money fist over hand. We're gonna hit the gym afterwards. Keep it up. Positive energy. Take it easy. And thanks for joining in. I'll